Welcome everyone. So in this video we will see how to install Windows 11. So for that, open any browser and search for Windows 11 download. So we will get the website. I give this website link in description. Do check. So once you open this website, scroll down. So you will see Windows 11 installation media. So we are going to download this. Click on the download now. It will start to download. Okay, once the file is downloaded, open the file, insert the formatted pen drive, and right click the downloaded file and run as administrator, and give access to the file. It will prepare to install. Read the license terms. So once you're done, you can click accept. Okay, now we need to choose the language. Here I am unchecking this recommendation. Now I am choosing UK English. Okay, once you chosen the language, click next. Here we are going to choose the first option, that will create the bootable device. Second option is to download ISO file. If you download the ISO file, we need to create a bootable device. So I am going with the first option. Okay, click next, and here we can see the pen drive, and click next, and it will start to download. Okay, the Windows 11 file is now stored in our pen drive. Okay, now let's install Windows 11. Insert the pen drive to the device which you want to install Windows 11. Once you're done, restart the system and enter the BIOS setup. Change the boot order to prioritize the USB drive. And here choose the installation language and time. Click next. Here check the I agree everything and click next. It will start to install. Enter product key if you have, or else click I don't have a product key. Here I am choosing Windows 11 Pro and click next. Read the license terms and accept. Here we are going to delete all the partition, and we are going to create new partition to install our Windows 11. Once you deleted the partition, create a new partition to install the OS. Choose the partition and click next and install. The system will restart several times. Choose the country and keyboard layout. Now connect to a internet network. Okay, add the device name. Okay, I am choosing setup for personal use. If you have Microsoft account, sign in with the account and create the password. And choose the customization. Now Windows 11 is installed successfully.